So one thing I did forget to do when I had the engine all tore apart was to replace the damper. And this is what they call a fuel rate damper or fuel rate pressure regulator. There's a lot of different names for it. And basically, it's just vacuum controlled to allow more fuel into the rail. That's it. I don't think it's a problem, but it's just recommended to do it. So again, I had a re-release pressure, and what this has is it's just like and I don't know if I have anything that can actually get in there. I may have to go buy a tool for this. It's just a ring in there. That is going to be a pain to put back in. There's some crud in there. Replacement part is 800-4010. Okay, we want the nozzle facing towards the back. So I got lucky enough to put that ring back in with a pair of pliers. And go from there. I'll go ahead and start it, see how the car works.
So if you like this video, go ahead and smash the like button below. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell if you want some notifications. See you next time on Chasing Mustangs.
Thanks.
All right.
Great job.
Yeah, I see it like literally every day.